Today, we will learn how to create business card on Illustrator. Hello, welcome to Illustrator with Bronze Graphics. Remove fill. Rectangle tool, shortcut is M. Business card size is 3.5 inches, 2 inches. Drag and hold out button for copy. Polygon tool, click on blank area, size is 6. Window to align, shortcut is Shift plus F7. Vertical align center. Horizontal align center. Drag and hold out button for copy. Select and go to Shape Builder tool, shortcut is Shift plus N. Hold Alt button and remove extra area. Took a fill color from swatches. Remove stock. Select and go to Eyedropper tool, shortcut is I. One click. Ctrl plus C for copy. Ctrl plus N for paste in front. Make it smaller. Took a fill color from swatches. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Right click, arrange to send backward. Now, need logo and information. Direct Selection tool, shortcut is A. Select 3 anchor point, and click on right around E. Select and go to Shape Builder tool, shortcut is Shift plus N. Hold Alt button and remove extra area. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop and Illustrator. Love you all.